You want to start at the top right up here near the edge. And I found that utility light right there does the best job. Go around about every 2-3 inches.
And if you were using a bandsaw, that would be called a relief cut, just so that your material will fall out there.
You want to find the tape.
It's in your hand. There you go.
Okay. Try to find the ones that folds over on the anywhere you can put a staple. To me, it's better than the glue that, the tape we're going to use, but the tape and what we're going to do with the tape is great. And I don't staple in these little rings up here. Okay. And
Can you finish that in there, Cliff? And then we'll go ahead and get them started while you finish it up.
what I do is come here and I will mark this again and cut it. And then I'll cut those little slots, put it back down in and staple it up. Let's put a piece of tape here. Because I tape everything that I possibly can. I'm going to cut that off. I don't like that. I'm real funny about things. Because I know what students might do, right?
And this would be an opportunity to go over safety. We use a lot of X-Acto knives, so X-Acto knife safety. As you've already said, because of this one has safety glasses on. But I do find that with students, when you take them to the makerspace or you're doing a STEM activity with them, it's kind of a different mindset that they automatically go into. I don't know if it's
scientist attire.
they get their scientist attire, and they've got their glasses, and we put aprons on, and all of a sudden they're a whole lot more serious.
Lost the loop.
Lost the loop.
Okay. Well, some tape and all, but I use some nice 2-inch tape, and it does, to me, take 2 people to kind of tape it all up. But that's how I built them. That's my stand. And like I said, they have been very durable. At the Just Philistine Mania, over 200 elementary kids came through and used them, and plus my 6th graders. Any questions or anything I can answer for you?
Looks like you maybe spray painted them before you use them.
Yeah, we spray painted.
Right after I put them together, then I spray painted them. Yeah, just add some color. For elementary students, I understand they love color. Black and white's okay with me. So, I had 2 or 3 different color cans: gray, gold, blue, the whole works. So yes.
Okay, so